Alright, go for it.
Alright, take it up.
Okay, a little bit of left.
Get that wing up off the ground. Wing up, there we go. Neutral rudder. There we go. Stick back. There we are. Nice.
Right, we want to overfly that. And
Yep.
now setting down in the middle is optimum, right?
Either way, if we put down in the middle, great, but we just don't want to land north of the north line. The runway's just chewed up north of it. Just overfly the first line.
Okay. Woo, baby.
Yep.
Now, do we turn like we did the 21 or go further out?
We'll go a little further out. We'll kind of go to this other ditch line.
Yeah, because we got a hell of a better glide ratio.
Yeah, absolutely. Alright.
So go out to the highway and turn?
Right about here is fine. If we're going to be on one side of 55, we'd rather be a little faster than slower.
Okay, now we use a little spoiler here.
Yeah, let's go for a little bit.
What do you want out, half?
About half, yeah, a little more. Right about there. Roll up all the way in line with the Fox.
Okay.
There we go. Alright, back on the brake.